So this is me getting ready to try some green. Green is referred to as temporary hair color wax. It's more of like a cream, but regardless, it's not permanent, which is the awesome part and the reason why I'm trying it. I already tried purple and I love the purple. Absolutely adore the purple actually. And then what I do after that, I did a, what's his name? Pink. I did a pink. I liked the pink. It was really cute. And then came the blue. Blue was like electrifying. It was really cute because every time it comes out like as a two-tone for my hair, I guess, because it's dark. So my dark hair kind of still soaks it in, but at the same time, it's a really neat contrast to the dark colored hair. And I'm a grandma. I do have some grays, but the grays came before the grandbaby. So anyway, I don't really mind gray too much. I don't really care. It's at the crown of my head. So, and it goes really, the color goes really well on top of it. For me, because my hair is thick, even though I don't have like long hair, it's thick. So the way that I like the color distributed, I pretty much use almost the whole jar. Okay. I got an alarm going off right there. Stop. Stop. What time is it? Okay, so anyway, all right, let's get this party started. All right, so when I did the pink, I was pretty messy when I did it. I can't really say there's like a formal way to do it. So do your thing, however you're gonna do it, and have fun in the process. So here we go. We're starting with the green. My hair is a little damp because I just rinsed it out. And I'm gonna make a big mess with my almost green fingernails. Some of them green because I went to put nail polish on, and I'm not great at polishing my nails, so it didn't come out so great. I didn't have nail polish remover. But anyhow, as you can see, I hope you can see, I'm just kind of really laying it on a bit. I really think it's cool to be able to change your hair color anytime that you want, whether you have like a little special occasion. I know a lot of folks like sports and stuff, and they tend to kind of go out where their teens colors and all that, and you want to color something, or maybe put some little fun green highlights and stuff in there in your hair. Maybe have a little green mohawk and whatnot. I like to do the like dramatic effect and really, ooh, that came out really green, bright. That's really cool. So I think this is my first time applying it though to my wet hair versus to dry hair. I saw it seemed to be more vibrant when I did it to the wet hair. I mean, what am I saying? Yeah. To the dry hair. And that may or may not be the case for you. I'm just speaking on what. And I ain't even read the directions. Either directions, I didn't even tell you where I got this from. So this says something in a whole nother language. Oh, it looks like an OMWGKR symbol C. Oh, it's a leaf C. So I'm not going to try to pronounce that. And green do-it-yourself color wax. I'm just going to put that in the camera. Hopefully you can see that. So I didn't do it before. And as you can see, it does get a little bit messy, but what hair coloring process doesn't? And again, this is whatchamacallit, temporary. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but anyways, I'm gonna finish coloring my hair green. All right, there's that little cruelty stuff. No, GMO free, and got a little bunny on there telling you what to do and what they don't do with the product. All right, moving on. Let me get this going because, wow, I feel like I'm using a lot more on the front. It might be because I don't know about this one. Y'all know about this green now. And I really like the pink and the purple, even the blue. I'm not sure. I have to really, I don't know about this. Oh, I'm gonna take that ponytail out. Oh no, y'all. What's that? Oh yeah. All right. Let me give it the benefit. Give it the benefit. Finish the process. Finish it. Mm-mm-mm. I don't know. Maybe I should have did it when my hair was dry because I feel like my wet hair is kind of soaking it in or something. I don't know. Just deal with it. Then go from there. I'm really like getting my color in my forehead and stuff. I tend to do that sometimes, but I mean, it can be wiped off. Just not sure about this green though. I don't know. I really have to like really see it when I'm done. I tend to like be heavy-handed when it comes to products and stuff too. So maybe I put too much on, but I mean, what's too much? You know, it's kind of like to each his own. I really like to see it on the ends though. So let me start concentrating it on the ends. I like to do updos. In other words, just take a little light scrunchy thingy and then put my hair up in like a little high, what do you call it? And let my little curly fro hang into my bangs. That's always fun and one of my go-tos. So we'll see how this all goes. Clean up my forehead and all that. It's pretty easy to clean up too. It's not, even though it could seem a little messy going on, but you don't have to put the whole jar on your head. You might just want some little highlights or a little streak of color, whatever. So just in my opinion. Green. Starting to see it in the camera myself. Hey. My hair's so dark. Let me do, like I said, I was going to concentrate on getting those ends. And then I'll go back and, as you can see, it's pretty easy. It's kind of just cut and dry, you know. Dig stuff out the jar and just put it to wherever you want to put it. And again, if you don't like it, just go rinse it out and get the shampoo and some water and do what you gotta do. Unless you have like really, you know, bad allergies or something, parents don't have to be, you know, afraid to try some temporary wax on your child or your teenage or whatever age that you're comfortable allowing your youngin to put some see, I don't use this whole jar. I knew it. See, I use the whole jar, but you don't have to be like me and use the whole thing because your hair may not be, I don't know, as exactly my texture and whatever. All right. Okay, the deed is done. I ain't got no more, son. I used it all. Oy. But this is fun though. It's just something to do, and it's cheap and get to, you know, I don't go to the salon or anything like that. And I always want to try different colors in my hair without actually coloring it per se. I'll get some little edges, get my edges a little green. And once this dries out, I'm not gonna go under the dryer right now because I'm just not really in the mood for that. But once it dries out, I feel like it does brighten up a little bit, which is really nice. And honestly, I just put the same products in my hair that I normally do. I'll still spritz it because, you know, I have natural hair and does require moisture. There's different things that I still put in it, but it's up to you because, you know, once you moisten it back a little bit, it's gonna have you're gonna see that film, that waxy, I call it wax, so you're just gonna see the color. Yeah. And so keep it in as long as you want or take it out as short of a length of time as you want. But I'm done. Hey, now I'm finna, guess I'll style my hair or something. I like that though. Now I think I like it. I think I do. I mean, it's not ugly, horrible. But let me see what I could do with this. Yeah, when it's applied to dry hair, um, I feel like it really actually defined the curl, like coated the strands of hair better. But this is okay. This is all right because I saw that it would define the curl a little more. This is fine too. Um, it served its purpose. As you can see, I'm kind of wiping off my hands right now. And you can see where I do have a lot of the color on my hand. But just with a dry rag, whatever that you have in your hand, whether you want to just head to the sink and wash up a little bit, but it comes right off, I mean, without worrying, with not too much effort. I'm gonna get my forehead and stuff. Right. And watch behind the ears and stuff like that. And just to kind of tidy yourself up. All right, so let me go see how I'm gonna style this. I mean, really. All right, let's see. Okay. All right. I know that looks a bit more different than what you expected. The green. I added purple. I had some leftover purple because the green didn't really do like I thought it would do in my hair. And I also went ahead, it wasn't like a pop, kaboom, wow, you know, that kind of thing for me. Pulling out some of my hair from this banana clip. Oh, that's purple. So I went ahead and did like some purple, went ahead and put actually the rest of the purple that I had left. And again, that's the fun part about the hair color wax. You can experiment and try different colors, do some little highlights or do some chunks and whatnot. I went ahead and just put some edge control on my sides. Just put a regular plain old banana clip up there. And I put some moisturizer product in my hair, my curls, so it wouldn't get, you know, all stiff. And that's it. And that was fun. Eventually, I'm not going to go under the dryer like I said previously, because I just kind of want this to air dry. But my glasses will kind of help keep the hair from out of my eyes for now. But I really, really love the purple. The green is all right. It's cute, but it wasn't as fun to watch the green go on my hair, to me anyway. But maybe, you know, once it dries, it'll pop a little more, but it was fun. I really liked it. And I had some blue. I threw some blue in there. You probably just see a tiny little hand. There you go. Hi, Blue. How you doing? I see you. Here you go, boo-boo. But anyway, it's kind of hidden. Just a kind of little hello. And then go back in there, you know. But I was just kind of playing with the different colors that I had left. And I believe I have one more color. Oh, that was a 4-pack, that's all. Okay. But anyways, I think it's cute. Let me know what you think. And if you'd even try some color or you've already tried it, you know, post a picture or send. See, there you go, there's some green. Maybe after it dries, maybe I'll do a little update or something. I don't know, we'll see. I got my edge control on there, so we'll see. All right, see ya. That was so much fun. Thanks for joining me. And Lord's will, another time. Ooh. Another time, another video. That's pretty fun. That's really fun. All right, love yas. Bye-bye.